Moomoo Deposit Tutorial, how to add money to your Moomoo account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit to your Moomoo account.
So to get started, open the Moomoo app and log in. On the main dashboard, tap the trade icon at the bottom. Or you may also tap on this deposit if you have it already. Then choose deposit. If you haven't linked your bank yet, you'll be prompted to add one. Select your bank from the list or enter your bank details manually. Once connected, go back to the deposit section. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. Moomoo typically support ACH transfers, which are free and usually take 1 to 3 business days. You'll also see an option to set up automatic recurring deposits if you want to invest regularly. After submitting, check the History tab under the Me section to track your deposit status. If it's pending, don't worry, it's being processed. If the deposit fails, double check your linked account or contact Moomoo support. International users should check if their country supports local deposits or consider using a global bank that partners with Moomoo. And that's how to easily add money to your Moomoo account and start investing with confidence.